Welcome to the City Medical Complex Kabul Premier League 2024. Hassani Sakhel, Ibrahim Abdul Rahim Zain, Jalal. Yes, Jalal spell will be crucial. Jalal Musazai.
Khalil Gorbaz, Lalbaz.
One Lalbaz to open the bowling for Spingar Warriors. Oh, straight to the fielder. Good start for him, Lalbaz.
That was a good length delivery. Sensei continues.
Imran Mir is opening the batting for Shaheen Hunters. Oh, short pitch ball, very well directed bouncer. Surprising the batter. What for the second edition of Kabul Premier League City Medical Complex KPL 2024. Lalbaz to Imran Mir once again. Oh, he's played. Oh, an awkward bounce. Luckily, the fielder is safe. Couple of more runs added to the total. Imran Mir is facing. Oh, it's straight up in the air. It's going over the fielder's head. What a shot. First boundary for Shaheen Hunters.
In the over.
Yes, he had plenty of time, Imran Mir. Yeah, very good shot. Timed it well. Just a one bounce.
The captain of the side. Coming forward over the top of the wicket keeper. No chance to anyone in the vacant area. The boundary is scored from the captain there.
Yeah, leading edge this time from Abdul Malik. A leading edge there you can see. Oh, 4 more runs.
Team in the tournament. Lovely shot. The fielder is out there, but a couple of the bouncers tried to long on for a single.
Yes, remember Spingar Warriors.
Beautifully played it. Extremely a great shot. The fielder is in pursuit. 2 more to the total.
Over. Oh, he has played that. Stand and deliver this time from Imran Mir. Once again, length ball. Once again, a maximum.
Absolutely a marvelous hit. As you mentioned it, to go for a pull, and the ball went all the way for really a big 6. Marvelous batting performance.
It is going to be a good contest. Once again, he's played that, but he's not middled it. But it's going away towards the boundary. Yes, 4 more to Imran Mir and Shaheen Hunters.
Meat of the bat there, but still he manages scoring a boundary. Outstanding, going to kill today.
There you can see it was a short pitch ball. Lovely camera work from our cameraman. And let me share one another.
Loves to play the proper cricketing shots. Down the track, played it well. The ball is racing away there towards the boundary line. That was outside edge, and the ball has went there for a boundary from the bat of Abdul Malik. This is the second boundary there. Yeah, now the runs are actually leaking here.
Favorite Hashmat is also there.
The ball is in there. And somebody is going to take the catch. Oh, that was really a perfect try by the fielder, but unfortunately.
There you can see. Yeah, it was high in the sky for a long time. There you can see confusion between the two. Oh no, boy. It was not that difficult of a chance as well. Lalbaz once again to Imran Mir. Oh, he has played that. Nicely done between the deep square leg and deep mid wicket boundary. This is some counter attack from Shaheen Hunter batters now.
This was a short pitch delivery. He picked it up, and now he is taking the bowler into the cleaners by playing all.
Fourth umpire, Lalbaz. Oh, he has played that one. He is middle it this time. Another 6 for Imran Mir. Over mid wicket. This is good quality batting from Shaheen Hunter's batters.
He whacked it towards the mid-wicket region, deep mid-wicket region. Even the fielder was out there. Look at that. Same line and length. But this time he has smashed it. Even the fielder was over there, but not able to collect the ball.
Once again.
अब्दुल मालिक पर स्ट्राइक बांधे दे आवदलता एक्स्ट्रा कवर पर तरफ बांधे दे सदूर मंडुल पारा दे इब्राहिम अब्दुल रहीम जी पर उड़ान दे 13 ओवर के होम पर लपस ओवर बांधे तो रे सदूर जी इब्राहिम पर तो पचाने लगी के दाजल लुमड़ी बाल बांधे सदूर जी तरला सके अब्दुल मालिक लेक स खतरनाक कारी नंद फकीर स्टील शाहीन हंटर्स लोब डाला खो इब्राहिम आलता نو بال تر څنګه مالک لپاره بل ژوند او دا ځل بیا هم ډیر په زړه پورې پلیسمنټ څلور نورې منډې د عبدالمالک له بیټ څخه او بیټسمین ته چې کله چانس ورکې ژوند ورکې
په توپخانه کې دا ځل غوښتل شاته واړوي دغه بال خو نه توانېږي ښه بال و
د ابراهیم لپاره بیا هم سلوور بون سره او دلته فاین لیګ فیلډر د پاسه د څلورو نورو منډو اضافه والی د شاین هانټرز لپاره ډېر ښکلی او ډېر په زړه پورې پیل دی په تېرو 2 سالو کې دوی پرله پسې ډول باندې دواړو کې ماتې ومنلې او نن عمران میر او د عبدالمالک توپوهنه داسې ښکاري چې بل پلان سره راغلي لږ څه سوینګ او بونس هم و ګټه یې د بیټر په ګټه وه
تیر فصل کې هم 2 لوبې لومړنۍ لوبې او څه ښه شاټ بیخي زړورتیا اپر کټ و د ترلاسه کوي آف سټمپ کې بال و د وفادار له لوري او ښه انتخاب و د دغه شاټ لپاره د ځای انتخاب نو ښه تصمیم و د عبدالمالک له لوري
بریک سره ترسره کوي وکټ او دلته لال باز یو ځل بیا اوه دې سره د عبدالمالک پاڼې پای ته رسیږي سینیر کمپاینر میچور کرکټر او دغه ایکسپیرینس د چې سمیع الله شینواري کې چې دی به ماته بیا هم په آن سایډ باندې بریک سره کوي خو دا ځل یې ورته لیګ بریک بال وکړو بهر طرف ته بریک شو هغه هم کټ ته لاړو چې کټ ته لاړو نو هلته 50 نوي دوبید ورسره په څنګ کې وفادار مومند فیلډر شته او شته وفادار مومند پر اتک دلته وکټ ترلاسه کوي عمران میر وزیر ډریسنګ روم ته لوبډل مشر دلته په میډ آف کې یو ډېر ښکلی کیچ ترلاسه کړ
بالې څه مو چې وړاندې ویل فاسټ بالران باید په سپیډ غرانه شي باید آف کټر لیګ کټر سلو چینج آفیس عمران میر په یو ښه سلو آف کټر سره
بیا هم دا ستونه بهر بال دی وایډ او وکټ کیپر هم نه دی توانلی چې په صحیح وخت سره دا بال راګیر کړي ورته په نتیجه کې 2 نورې هم راځي منډې نو په ټوله کې 3 په دغه بال باندې شاین هانټر نن تاسې ګورئ چې وړې وړې موقع هم
ګوربز دغه شان توپ اچونه کې فضل حق نوین دوی په ټیم ورک سره ګیپ لوبوي دا ځل شاټ بال و د وفادار له لوري وخت یې ورکړ توپوونکي راشد تاو استفاده یې وکړه له دغه شاټ بال هغلته ډیپ میډ وکټ او لانګ آن ترمنځ ډلې وکټ ساتونکی توپوونکی دی یو ډېر ښه لوبغاړی دی دی هم په ځوانو لوبغاړو
about his Arias. Goes back, nice! A little bit into the ground, a simple catch is taken. Shinwari strikes.
Yeah, great bowling by Samiul Allah Shinwari, the wicket taker of the team. He does a great job and got a wicket there. He is most often coming in starting with wickets. That's the experience that he's having. Turn the balls both ways. Abdurrahim Zai is the fielder there.
200. He is doing well, according the plan, according the great policy that they're having. Oh, a little bit trouble. And finally they got single.
Hit the stumps.
Pending, about run out, about the 2. Look at that. First, good delivery. That is the throw, directed. But
You'll have to drag your bat while you're going to cross a crease here.
he has played in Afghanistan. Oh, wow! That's clean hit. A wonderful hit. This man is shining.
He's a powerful hitter of the ball. Look at the shots. Goes big. Sweet sound of the bat. Even the fielder was not happy.
هم پاتې دی اجازه غلطه منتظر دی نو کولی شي ښه شاټونه ترلاسه کړي سټریټ مخامخ واټ ا شاټ
فقیر سټیل شاین هانټرز لوبډله عجیبه سټایل دی د انډیا سره یو توپ اچوونکی و په آی پی ایل لیګ کې کوشک په نامه باندې هغه هم دغسې سټایل لرلو
د توپ اچونې انداز یو څه خطرناک دی ترڅنګ یې غاټ شاټ او لانګ آن کې کیچ ورکړ سیټ بیټسمن آصف موسازي هم ګزاروي تر ډیره پورې
دغه بال ښه مثال دی لږ څه دننه راغی بریک سره او هلته ډېر اسانه کیچ واخیسته ډګر ساتونکي
وفادار نننۍ لوبه کې بیا هم په سلو آوټ شوي فیسټوپونو ډېره تکیه کړې خو دا ځل چې سپیډ کاروي همدغومره سپیډ د اجاز له بیټ څخه استعمالیږي او زبردسته شپږیزه ترلاسه کوي ډیپ میډ وکټ کې
او اجاز هم ډېر ښه جج کړ د شپږو منډو لپاره شارټ پیچ او پل کېږي د ډیپ میډ وکټ د پاسه د لوبغالي نه بهر اجاز احمدزي دلته سلو بال ریزلټ حسن ساخیل او حسن ساخیل هم نه دی بریالی فکر کوم لمر یو څه سترګو ته راغی بال ترې نه ورک و او که تکرار وګورو بهر سلوور و خو سلاټ کې و ریچ کې و او دلته لمر سترګه هغه څه و چې حسن نه بال ورک که
که هر څه وي خو میس فیلډینګ ضرور و وفادار خپله
د دغې توپ د اجاز احمدزي له لورې دا ځل فول ټاس دی او ریزلټ شپږیزه د مینوالو په منځ کې غټه شپږیزه ده
ما وړاندې ویل چې د یو ډېر ښه لوبه ختمونکی دی چانس یې ترلاسه کړی بلکې دوه چانسه نتیجه به یې د لوبډلې لپاره ډېره ښه وي لکه څه رقم چې وړاندې اورونو کې هم کارولې وه آف سټمپ کې وایډ بال دی او دغلته د منډې هڅه کوي نان سټرایکر هغلته وفادار ته د جالات له لوري بال رسول کیږي هغه نو رن آوټ کوي صدیق پاچا د خپلې لوبډلې لپاره سوځوي 209 منډې جوړې کړې
Yeah, we've got a number of youngsters doing a great job here for both all the teams. A lot of positive comments about the game of cricket and so does about the...
Yeah, the way Hassani Sakhel is batting.
Did you watch that game?
Yeah, I had watched that clip. Yeah, and this is the beauty of the game. Yeah, there you can see Hassani Sakhel. Oh, nicely bowled, targeting the stumps straight away. Yes, he is in the... Oh, nicely played. Just using his wrist. Excellent timing once again. Hassani Sakhel into the act now. On his second bar, a boundary for Spingar Warriors.
Toward the offside, great connection for a boundary.
Wow, what great wrist work from Hassani Sakhel. Just opening the face of the blade. Yes. Once again, he gave himself enough room into the gap and it is going away towards the boundary for another 4. Hassani Sakhel is carrying the form. His second boundary of the over.
Abdul Malik is not happy. Look at that shot. Straight, he's going to play the ball towards the offside. Ground shots are quite great, not to elevate the ball. No risk.
Of City Medical Complex. Oh, he has lodged that! Oh, and it is going over the mid-wicket fielder. It's a massive 6 from Hassani Sakhel. Seems to be... Yeah, look at this. Yeah, just full extension of his arms. Lovely bat swing. Excellent shot. Once again, he gave himself enough room. Oh, exquisite timing. Rest work from Hassani Sakhel.
Eid Khan, brilliant bowler, but we'll have to see the strength of their bowling. First ball, up and over. Couple of bounces crosses the boundary line. This is sensible cricket.
Yeah, excellent timing once again. Using the pace of the bowler.
Down he comes. Turns the ball on the onside. There is a fielder. Would be looking for the second. Hassan is not interested.
Yeah, good cricket after hitting boundary of the first ball here in Kabul at Ayubi National Cricket Stadium.
Goes big this time up, and there is a fielder running after the ball. Is going to cross the boundary line. Bangs it on the onside for another Shpagiza.
Wow, another maximum for Hassani Sakhel. Just flick of the wrist once again. Yeah, look at that. Just flicking. Just flick of the wrists. Hassani Sakhel is having.
Oh, sound of the bantels. And the ball is going flat and long.
Stand and deliver this time. Slightly over pitched. Bang over extra cover. Hassani Sakhel. Back-to-back maximums for him now. What a strike. Lovely batting.
What a batsmanship. And this is the third one. The longest one out of the stadium.
Oh, it has gone out of the park. 120 meter six once again for Hassan Issa Khail. He is more playing like Shahid Afridi, Hassan Issa Khail. Look, he is standing right. Oh, a slower ball. Mixed up, there's a chance of, oh, he had given up already, Hassan Issa Khail. That's why. Oh, onto his pads, it's going away towards another 6 over deep extra cover. Deep square leg boundary for a maximum. Wow, Hassan Issa Khail. He is not sparing anyone in this run chase.
Good wrist work there for Nabi Issa Khail. Look at that ball. Going down there. Only wrist work there. Flex the ball well. And the ball goes over the boundary line for maximum.
And let me tell you, Salarzai, these are not slug hits. The fastest 50 of City Medical Complex. Oh, once again, he has played it over extra cover for another maximum. Hassan Issa Khail, remember the name. He is middling everything. What a strike.
Pitching outside the arm stump. Easy picking for the batter. Watching the ball. Hits hard. And the ball goes over the boundary. Good connection. Great batsmanship shown by the
Complex KPL 2024. We'll have to wait. Oh, he has played that. It's going over the leg of Bob Fielder for another maximum. 50 for Hassan Issa Khail. The fastest 50 of this season, City Medical Complex, Kabul Premier League 2024.
The decent strike rate of more than 300. Look at the last ball. Slightly overpitched. Hits that hard. No mercy shown. Ruthless shots. Look at the current strike run rate. They're having almost 20 over number 4th in progress. That's going down there. Hits him. Might have got a little bit pain there in his body.
Yeah, it is always painful. There you can see. Oh no, ouch. It hurts.
Seen him, I'm quite impressed. Look at that shot. A revenge taken after hitting on his body. The ball is going out of the park.
Once again, a quicker ball. Once again on the leg stump. Boy, he is meddling everything. There you can see. Poor line from Izharul Haq Naveed.
The ball, there is a last ball, 12 runs already. Oh, what a shot. Another one. Wins it.
Shot of the match, shot of this game, shot of this chase, the best of all. And look at that stride over extra cover. Excellent timing. Hassan Issa Khail, I'm short of words now. To Hassan Issa Khail. It was a short pitch ball. Boy, it's going once again. And it's out of the ground. Hassan Issa Khail, you beauty.
Smoked that out of the ground number of times. It's not the first time having seen.
Believe me, I was extremely tired. But the way he is smashing those big sixes. Ket Mateen still busy in the mobile. A slow ball. He has hammered that one over extra cover. A flat six from him, Hassan Issa Khail. Wow, this is some...
What a day you are having, Mr. Still he's young. But the way he's forcing the ball, every corner of the ground he's targeting, and every time the ball is going over the boundary line, words are finished by.
Can he score 100? Oh, once again, it was overpitched on the off stump. Into the dugout of Shaheen Hunters. Take that, Shaheen Hunters.
I can't believe that.
इजहार नवीद दे तो बचाउन के او دلته سلیزه بشپړه حسن issa khail لومړی سلیزه د KPL سیالیو د دوام پړاو ډېر چټک او ډېر په زړه پورې ورپېدو او حسن issa khail خو داسې پاڼې نندارې ته وړاندې کړه لکه سړی فکر کوي لکه هایلایټ یې چې ګوري د لوبې تکرار چې ګوري او دلته د ټول ټیم لوبغاړي او درشکو سجده
تجربه زیاته ده او د همدې وجې نه ښې منډې پرې نه دي راغلې خو دا ځل د جلات بیټ هم خوځېږي تاویږي
رول هم ډېر زیات په زړه پورې د سټرایک روټیشن کې چې دته یې موقع ورکړه او موقع دا ځل ده واډش ډاونګان د پاسه د لوبغالي نه بهر شپږیزه ریزلټ معلوم دی کله چې حسن ساحل په سټرایک باندې وي او ریزلټ هغه څه دی چې موږ په سکرین باندې ګورو. سټرایک روټیشن کې ډېره زیاته مرسته ورسره وکړه، تر ډېره دته موقع ورکړه. پلان سره ځي، یو هیټ کوي، یو لږ څه سټی کوي، بیا هم لوبېدنه د ډګر ساتونکی عمران شته، خو عمران میر په وسه کې دا نه ده چې دا بال راوژغوري، ځکه بیټ د حسن ساحل دی. داسې الفاظ ما سره نشته چې زه د حسن ساحل نننۍ توپونې لپاره استعمال کړم.
یو ځل بیا شاټ بالو او شړک ورکړ دغه بال ته لانګ آف کې فیلډر بال له شپږیزې راایسار کړي. روح الله دا ځل تر برید لاندې یوزینګ د فیټ سټریټ مخامخ. واو حسن
الفاظ ته سمسور ښکلي سټایل سره شپږیزه بیک فوټ ته ځي. ریزلټ معلوم دی، ریزلټ حسن اما نه توانېږي. ډګر ساتونکي دلته دوه نورې منډې هم راځي چې ترسره کېږي او ترسره کوي. دا به هم زما لپاره ډېره زیاته ځانګړې او نه هېرېدونکې ځکه وي چې داسې توپوهنه د میکسویل، د کریس گیل، شاید افریدي یو انډرسن دغسې یو پاڼۍ کړې وه، خو دلته چې د حسن ساحل پاڼۍ ګورو
د شاهین هانټرز د لوبډلې لپاره
او که چېرته دغه سیالۍ او ریزلټ چې دی او بالکل وکټ غورځېږي. یو سل ډېره په زړه پورې بال ونه شي لېږلی، هغه اندې سره مزل نشو کولی.
عثمان نوري د حسن ساحل ملګرتیا ته راودانګل د جلات خان له اوټېدو وروسته او دغه لوبې له نږدې د سیوري لاندې ننداره کولی شي. له اونر باکس اینډ څخه توپ اچوونکی چې لیفټ آرم سپین توپ اچوونکی دی توپ اچونه کوي. وړاندې جلات خان البته توپونکی به هم سپین غر واریرز له لاسه ورکړی وای.
کنټرول کې و دغه
T20 team. He is once again facing Hamkar. Oh, he has launched that. Oh, another maximum. Zazai's record, Hazratullah's record. We'll have to wait. Oh, he has hit that, but it's going straight to Ijaz Ahmad Zai. And this is the only record which he is not broken today. Hunters players, everyone congratulating him. There you can see, and look at the standing ovation for him. Clapping, look at the crowd, look at his teammates. It off in a style.
Yes. That's a lovely shot. It's gone right in the park. For really a big six, a slog one in the slot.
Yes, Usman Noori is a very good timer of the ball. Stump, he middled that. There you can see on his knee for a maximum.
Fielder to stop it. So, Shine Hunters, or that's the scorecard for them.